Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best marble rolling pin set is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen tools for baking enthusiasts and professional bakers alike, offering a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. Its cool-to-the-touch marble surface prevents dough from sticking and warming up, ensuring perfectly rolled-out pastry every time, while its sleek design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen counter. This video will explore everything you need to know before buying one, helping you choose the perfect set for your baking needs. Number 5. Fox Run Marble Rolling Pin. It's made from 100% marble with smooth wooden handles for a comfortable, secure grip. This allows you to focus on your baking. Each rolling pin is unique, showcasing the beautiful natural variations in the marble. No two are exactly alike. The smooth marble surface is naturally non-stick and easy to clean, making it perfect for all your baking needs. It features nylon ball bearings for smooth rolling and a wooden base for convenient storage. It's both beautiful and functional. This lovely rolling pin and its base weigh 4.6 pounds and measure 2.5 by 18 by 2.5 inches. It's the perfect size for any kitchen. With its smooth surface and comfortable handles, it makes rolling out dough a breeze. Enjoy the process of creating delicious treats. What we like. It boasts a sophisticated design with a smooth wooden base. If you appreciate beautiful kitchen tools and want a hassle-free rolling experience, this is the perfect choice. Its unique marble pattern makes it a stunning addition to your kitchen. What people say. It looks just like the super expensive one my mother had growing up. I am absolutely shocked by how nice it is. It's really heavy, which makes rolling things out so much easier because it does the work for you. Easy to clean, very durable. Comes with a rest to hold it. The marble is smooth and even no nicks or cracks, and it works beautifully for rolling pie dough. No sticking, and easy to clean, too. Number 4. Greenco Marble Rolling Pin. This stunning rolling pin is crafted from 100% marble, a natural stone known for its elegance and unique patterns. Its cool surface and natural non-stick properties make baking a breeze. With its substantial weight, it effortlessly rolls out dough, requiring minimal pressure. Say goodbye to strenuous baking. The smooth, cool marble surface is naturally non-stick, making cleanup quick and easy. Just hand wash with warm, soapy water. It features beautiful wood handles and rests on a convenient wooden base. It's a kitchen tool that's as functional as it is beautiful. The rolling pin barrel measures 2.5 inches in diameter and 10 inches long, with a total length of 18 inches. Precise measurements for perfect results every time. Upgrade your baking experience with this exquisite and durable marble rolling pin. It's a kitchen essential you'll cherish for years to come. What we like. This heavyweight rolling pin makes rolling out dough effortless. If you're looking for a smooth, cool rolling surface that prevents sticking, this is a must-have. Its natural non-stick properties will save you time and frustration. What people say. Appears to be genuine marble, very heavy. No issues so far. Makes rolling dough easy due to the weight. My wife, who enjoys baking, dropped her ceramic rolling pin on the tile floor and it shattered. I surprised her with the Greenco and she loves it. It is heavy, which means she must exert considerably less downward pressure when using it, easier on the hands and arms. The weight makes rolling out dough so much easier than with a wooden rolling pin. Number 3. White Marble Rolling Pin Set. This baking set has everything you need to get started. It includes a marble rolling pin, a wooden base, a pastry mat, and a pastry cutter, all packed in a beautiful gift box. It's extra weighted for easier rolling. You'll need less force to create perfectly smooth dough for cookies, pizza, or cakes. Made from 100% natural marble, it stays cool and prevents dough from sticking. Enjoy effortless baking. The non-absorbent marble is incredibly easy to clean and maintain. Simply wipe it clean after use. It's 17.7 inches long overall, with a 10-inch marble roller and 2.3-inch diameter. The substantial size and weight make rolling dough a breeze. What we like. This set includes everything you need for baking. If you want a convenient and complete baking solution, this is ideal. The heavy weight ensures smooth rolling, and the non-absorbent marble is super easy to clean. What people say. This marble rolling pin worked great for rolling out bread dough. I'd previously used my wooden rolling pin for that and had to clean it off after rolling each piece of dough because it kept sticking even though I floured the wooden pin. This one, however, worked like a charm. I barely had to apply pressure for the dough to roll out, and I didn't need to flour it. Who was impressed by the design of a rolling pin? In this case, me. I have had several over the years and this is by far the most impressive because of its weight, the mechanics of the handles which allow for easy rolling, the beautiful materials used to make it and the handy stand to place it on the counter or in a drawer. I recently purchased this particular rolling pin after a previous cephalon stopped performing. Immediately, the quality is second to none. The smoothness of the handles, the marble is clean, without blemishes and performs as expected. Number 2. Zulay Kitchen Marble Rolling Pin. Say goodbye to uneven dough. It features 360 degrees bearings for smooth, even rolling with minimal effort. The cool marble surface makes it a joy to use. Made from 100% polished marble, it's built to last a lifetime. Its beautiful, unique marble pattern adds elegance to your kitchen. The comfortable beechwood handle provides a secure, comfortable grip. Plus, it comes with a convenient wooden stand for easy storage. Its naturally non-stick surface requires less flour. Simply wipe it clean with a damp cloth, no more scrubbing. From bread and pastries to pizza and pasta, it handles it all. It even makes a wonderful gift for fellow baking enthusiasts. What we like. It features an ergonomic handle for comfortable use and 360 degrees bearings for even rolling. If you value durability and ease of use, this long-lasting rolling pin is perfect for you. The smooth rolling action will elevate your baking experience. What people say. The weight of the tool does the work, and only a light touch is needed to direct the tool for rolling. Heavy so you don't need to push down so hard. The heaviness makes it so easy to roll dough out. Number 1. Marble Board and Rolling Pin Set. This stunning set is perfect for any kitchen. The cool marble surface prevents dough from sticking, and the rolling pin ensures even baking. It's made from high-quality marble, ensuring durability and elegance. This set will be a beautiful addition to your kitchen counter. Use it for making pastries, rolling out dough, serving cheese and charcuterie, or even as a decorative piece. It's incredibly versatile. The non-slip feet keep it securely in place while you work, preventing accidents and ensuring a smooth rolling experience. When chilled, it's ideal for keeping dough from sticking. This set makes baking easier and more enjoyable. With its large 16 by 12 inch surface and 16-inch rolling pin, it's perfect for all your baking needs. It's big enough for even the largest projects. This beautiful and functional set makes a wonderful gift for bakers, home cooks, or anyone who appreciates quality kitchenware. It's sure to be cherished for years to come. What we like. This set combines a large marble board and rolling pin. If you need a cool surface for dough in a stable work area, this is a great option. The non-slip feet provide stability, making baking easier and more enjoyable. What people say. The rolling pin is wide enough to cover the whole width of the slab. Heavy so I don't have to push down much when rolling out dough. It will keep your pastry dough nice and cool while rolling it out. And it is wonderful when working with chocolates. Easy to clean, the rolling pin works great for rolling out pie crust and pizza dough. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.